You were taught that technology becomes cheaper over time. You were taught that progress means accessibility, that every generation of hardware is faster, cheaper, and more available than the last. That was true. It is no longer true. Right now, we are watching the intentional dismantling of personal computing. Not because of shortages, not because of war, not because of logistics failures, but because the global technology economy has decided that you are no longer the customer that matters. Your computer is no longer a product. Your ownership is no longer the goal. Your freedom is no longer relevant. You are being moved into a new economic class, the subscription class. For most of modern history, the PC market functioned under competitive consumer economics. Manufacturers competed for your money. Prices stabilized due to volume demand. Innovation flowed downward to consumers. But today, this model is dead. The real buyers of computing hardware are no longer consumers. They are hyperscale data centers, national AI programs, sovereign wealth funds, military research agencies, cloud monopolies, surveillance infrastructure companies. You buy one GPU, they buy entire production years. The market does not negotiate with you anymore. It negotiates with governments and trillion-dollar corporations. Nvidia was once a gaming company. Today, it is an AI weapons manufacturer, a cloud landlord, and a government contractor. Consumer GPUs are now side products. Their highest margin products are AI accelerators, surveillance compute clusters, military simulation systems, data center monopolization infrastructure. Your gaming GPU is a distraction. Their real product is global compute control. Memory is not just RAM. Memory is now the global choke point of digital civilization. DDR5, LPDDR, HBM. They are all produced on the same silicon pipelines, and those pipelines are being absorbed by AI. AI models do not require gigabytes. They require terabytes per machine and petabytes per cluster. Every AI rack consumes more memory than hundreds of gaming PCs, and all of it comes from the same factories. Which means every AI server built dozens of consumer PCs that will never exist. This is why DDR5 prices are not falling. They are being structurally removed from consumer circulation. When supply disappears, prices rise. But here's the part nobody tells you. Once consumers fall out of the market, prices never go back down. Why? Because low prices only exist when competition for consumers exists. When you are no longer the target buyer, price stabilization disappears forever. You become a side market. Owning hardware is dangerous to corporations. When you own your GPU, they cannot change your pricing. They cannot control your access. They cannot revoke your usage. They cannot monitor your behavior. They cannot force upgrades. Ownership equals independence. And independence is not profitable. Cloud gaming is not a convenient service. It is the training phase of digital dependency. It introduces monthly payments, session limits, priority tiers, performance tiers, behavioral pricing, artificial scarcity. Once normalized, ownership disappears. Your future computer is a thin terminal, an authentication device, a subscription gateway, a tracking endpoint, not a machine you control. Not a system you own. The poor, students, developing nations, independent creators, small businesses, entire communities. Computing becomes class segregated. The corporations do not need your purchases. They need your permanent payments. They trade money between themselves using subsidies, tax breaks, and military budgets. You are not their customer. You are their revenue stream. There is a reason AI funding exploded overnight. It was never about chatbots. It was about war. Governments do not invest trillions in convenience tools. They invest in weapons, surveillance, and control. AI allows predictive policing, automated drone warfare, mass biometric tracking, behavior prediction, economic manipulation. And the hardware required to run that infrastructure is the same hardware you used to buy for gaming and work. The military did not build its own factories. It absorbed yours. You are paying twice. First through taxes, then through subscriptions. Governments subsidize AI infrastructure. Corporations receive land, electricity, tax exemptions, and legal immunity. Then they charge you monthly to access the infrastructure you paid to build. This is not capitalism. This is corporate feudalism. AI pricing is not flat. It is behavioral, they know. So what you can afford, what you will tolerate, how desperate you are, how much you need computing. Your price will not be their price. Your desperation will define your cost. Higher prices, fewer owners, more renters, more centralized control, higher prices. This loop is irreversible. Once ownership falls below a critical mass, competition dies. At that point, prices are no longer market-driven. They are permission-based. You will not be a customer. You will be a tenant, a cloud serf, paying for processing, memory, storage, network access, authentication rights. Miss a payment, lose your digital life. You cannot boycott a monopoly you cannot access alternatives to. You cannot compete with trillion-dollar buyers. The system does not need your approval. It needs your dependency. Your children will not own computers. They will own logins. They will own access tiers. They will own monthly bills, and nothing else. You are not watching technology evolve. You are watching ownership disappear. You are not losing hardware. You are losing autonomy. And once this system finishes building itself, there is no exit.